Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Musharrafah Ansari, and today I'm going to tell you about all the things that has helped me heal my acne and get a clear skin as a person with an oily skin type. Now, for treating acne, you need a multi-pronged approach, and the most significant role will be of your medications, which can only be prescribed after a physical assessment, preferably by your dermatologist. Now, your skin is a manifestation of external and internal factors. And the other things that help beside your medications, I'm going to lay out for you. Externally, the things that you need to take care of is first, wash your face at least twice. Once when you wake up and once before you hit the bed. Additionally, every time that you come back inside your house from being outdoors. Two, anything that touches your face needs to be really clean. So have a separate face towel, not use the same towel for your face and body, and wash it on a regular interval. Weekly should be good. Also have separate sleeping pillow covers. So you know that at least in the night time, what is touching your face is comparatively clean than the bedsheet that has been laying out whole day and the covers that has been out all day long. In my case, I use a white handkerchief because it's really easy to see if there is any dirt on it, and because also it's easy to dry and wash. Also, some satin pillow covers that go just minutes before I hit the bed and come out as soon as I wake up. And satin because it is again really easy to wash and dry within a couple of hours. It's done. Third, about your skincare products, you need to be cautious. First of all, if you are using certain products for your treatment, then you need to have patience. You should not be experimenting with products or switching them very often. If at all you are trying something new, then give it some time, see how it adjusts with your skin. Do not try multiple new things at once because you would not know what is triggering your acne, what is working, and what is not. Also, if you do use makeup products, try to go a little minimal and remove them with a micellar water-based remover as soon as you are done with your errands. Fourth would be to address the habit of touching your skin. Now, a lot of people do have the habit of touching their skin often or caressing it. So you really need to stop because your hands are not always the cleanest thing that could be in contact with your skin. Also, avoid picking on your pimples. Now, I know it's really satisfactory, and one out of many a times you would actually see them go away by picking on them, but most of the times it would actually spread. Also, if you even if you feel that now it is ready to go, if it is really ready to go, it will go away with a gentle face wash. You do not have to even use a face scrub for it. So, as satisfactory and as much as the urge is, avoid it. Do not pick on your pimples. Also, it would prevent you from developing any scars. If you apply too much of pressure, you risk spreading the inflammation. And the fifth would be oiling and moisturizing. Now, if you do have an oily skin type, then it is likely that you also have an oily scalp, and you might have discovered a pimple or two while combing your hair. Now, whenever you are choosing your hair oil, you have to consider its comedogenic factor. Comedogenic factor is a factor indicating how much likely that oil is to get you acne and clog your pores. So pick something that is very low in its comedogenic factor and also is suitable and available. In Indian markets, I think the best pick would be almond oil. You can choose any brand, but never put a lot of it in a single day. Even if you are using an oil, say with very low comedogenic factor, you should only use few drops of it more towards the ends of your hair. And if you do like to oil your hair before you head to shampoo it, use it for a very short interval of time. Do not have that waiting period too long, like 15 minutes or 30 minutes or an hour maximum. Don't go more than that. And when it comes to moisturizer, whatever you are applying on your body parts, on your hands, it is likely going to get in contact with other things and eventually land up on your face. So you cannot use something with a heavy petroleum base like Vaseline or something that's very oily. You go for moisturizers that mention non-sticky, non-greasy, and are quick to evaporate and absorb well. Now, coming to the internal factors, which are, I would say, as important as the external ones. The first thing here would be your relationship with your food. What is good for your body is also good for your skin. And a reliable indicator for this would be a healthy and steady weight. The advice is pretty generic here, that is to decrease your carbohydrates, increase your proteins, include more green leafy vegetables, decrease the intake of processed food or decrease your sugar intake. And you will realize that a balanced diet and exercising or just sweating yourself a couple of times in a day through physical exertion will not just help you feel better but also look better. The last thing would be decreasing your stress levels, because stress can also act as a triggering factor for acne breakouts. Dealing with acne can be pretty distressing in itself, and I myself have lived with it for many years. I even had to take retinoids, but eventually, with proper care, it feels like a thing of past to me, and it will be a thing of past for you too. So until then, be gentle and kind to yourself, and hope you learned something good today. Thank you for watching. See you soon.